Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12step. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your email address on Epic Games. So let's get started. At first let's get into Epic Games interface. Now click on this profile icon over here. Now here we can see this option called account. So let's tap on this. Now we get into account settings. Here's the email address. Simply tap on this edit icon over here. Now enter the new email address you would like to add and simply click on continue. Now we'll get a verification code in our previous email and simply click on continue. Now we need to verify our updated email address as well. Verify your email here. So it's done. So this is all we can do to change email address in Epic Games. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.